Hi, today in front of me Huawei Nova 10 EC, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the more connections, then tap to NFC section, and to activate NFC or to turn it off we should use this switcher. Just click on the switcher to activate it, or to turn it off you should also click here on the switcher. We have one more way how we can do that. Just first we should open notification panel shortcuts. If you have now the NFC icon here on the panel, we should add it. Just to do that, we should click here to this edit icon, tap to edit switches, and find here an NFC icon. Just to add it to our notification panel, we should hold it and drag it to this app section. Then click here to done, and now we can turn on or turn off the NFC just by click on the NFC icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.